Batskoy, baby. What's up? Hey yo, how you been, boy? Kick out. Let's rock roll. Let's go.
Was a little Spanish flea, a record star, he thought he'd be. He heard of singers like Beatles, the chipmunks he's seen on TV. Why not a little Spanish flea?
Whatever. I went down to the beach and saw Kiki. She was all like, and I'm like, whatever. Whatever. Then this chick comes up to me and she's all like, hey, aren't you that dude? I'm like, yeah, whatever. So later, I'm at the pool hall and this girl comes up and she's all like, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Cause this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And then it's 3 a.m. I'm on the corner wearing my leather. This dude comes up and he's like, hey, punk. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then I'm throwing dice in the alley. Officer Leroy comes up and he's like, hey, I thought I told you. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then up comes Zaffo. I'm like, yo, Zaffo, what's up? He's like, I'm like, that's cool. Cause this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever.
Okay, so I was sitting in this diner and this man walked up to me and said, hey buddy, I didn't have anything to eat in a long time, so I bit him. I don't know if I told that one right.
We can dance if we want to, we can leave your friends behind. Cause your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well they're no friends of mine. See, we can go where we want to, places they will never find. And we can act like we come from out of this world, leave the real one far behind. We can dance.
Don't you say?
We can dance, everything's out of control. We can dance, we're doing it from pole to pole. We can dance, everybody look at your hands. We can dance, everybody's taking a chance.
Well, it's safe to dance, yes, it's safe to dance. Well, it's safe to dance, well, it's safe to dance. Yes, it's safe to dance, it's safe to dance. Well, it's safe to dance, it's safe to dance.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and...
One time I hired a monkey to take notes for me in class. I would just sit there with my mind a complete blank while the monkey scribbled on little pieces of paper. At the end of the week, the teacher said, class, I want you to write a paper using your notes. So I wrote a paper that said, hello, my name is Bingo. I like to climb on things. Can I have a banana? Eat. I got enough. When I told my mom about it, she said, I told you never trust a monkey. The end.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, every
society, God's gift to ballroom notoriety. And I always fill my ballroom, the event is never small. The social pages say I've got the biggest balls of all.
Cleveland, sit down. I want to sing a little song that kept me going when I had troubles. We were at the beach. Everybody had matching towels. Somebody went under a dock, and there they saw a rock. But it wasn't a rock. It was a rock lobster. Rock lobster. Rock lobster.
Shrek? Oh, come on, donkey. Look at him in his wee little boots. You know, how many cats can wear boots? Honestly.
Monopoly. There's another one we had. We had Monopoly. Everybody did. Nobody liked it. Everybody had it. Nobody, even if you think you liked the game, you didn't. And it's simple why. Ready? Because this is anybody here 2.5 hours into a game of Monopoly. Ready? Fuck this game. It's 4 in the morning, Grandma. You win. I'm sitting on Baltic with crack. I'm paying luxury tax out the ass. And I hate when you're the banker. Where'd you get the pink 50s, you cheating whore? Don't fucking touch me, Grandpa. Nana is a cheating whore. And I should cut your head off with this little doggy.